Hello and welcome to the cybersecurity video series powered by Saraswati repository. My name is vishal.majithia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to detect a website using a load balancing service. In my case, I'm using Palo Linux to demonstrate this. Let me zoom in a little bit so it would be easier for you to see. You can use any other operating system like Ubuntu or CentOS, etc. For that, you need to have a package name load balancer detector, that is LBD. So load balancer detectors is a tool available in the Parrot and Kali Linux by default, from which you can scan the website using a load balancing service for gathering the information of the website, where the website is using a load balancing service or not as a part of reconnaissance. If you want to install LBD on Ubuntu or any other operating system or any other Linux distribution, you need to add this Debian version, that etc pt source list.t and parallelist. You need to add this repository on the Debian flavor. This will only be applicable for the Debian versions, Debian distributions of the Linux. You need to add this on your source list and need to type the command sudo apt update after that. So Palo Linux comes by default with the LBD, that is load balancer detector. So we will be targeting my website to detect whether my website is using a load balancing service or not. For that, the command is lbd space domain name, that is saraswatirepository.com is my website, and press enter. So now scan has started. So primarily it has detected that it is using a DNS based load balancing found. As you can see, actually I am using a DNS based load balancing, and it has also targeted for the HTTP load balancing and the Cloudflare. I'm using Cloudflare CDN for caching my website and for security purpose of my website, but it has not found any HTTP load balancing because I have hosted my website only on single server. So as you can see, it has detected HTTP load balancing difference because it has what are date and difference header, that is date header. It's a timestamp, date and timestamp of the HTTP request which is originated from the client to the server. It will record the timestamp, and the difference will record the difference in the responses. As you can see, there are two different responses from the, because I'm using the CDN, that's why it has reflected that I'm using a HTTP difference. Because I'm using the CDN, it has reflected the difference in the response from the different because I have using the cache servers for this. So this is how you can detect the website using a load balancing service. Let us target another website by typing the LBD, and let us target the outlook.com. As you can see, it is also using the DNS based load balancing. Also, you can see there are a lot of servers deployed for a single website, that is outlook.com, which is a mail server of Microsoft. So as you can see, there are a number of servers deployed for the Outlook. And it is showing that it has found that the website, this outlook.com, is been load balanced because it has been hosted on the multiple servers, as well as it is also using the DNS based load balancing, as you can see. Also, it has identified that the HTTP difference header means the difference in the response from the server means when the client has queried the server, one request might have reached to one of the server, and another request might have reached to the another server. So there may be the difference in the response from the server. That's why it has identified that there is a difference in the response. So means the outlook.com is using DNS, HTTP and HTTP difference load balancing. Means it is using application layer load balancers. So this is how you can detect a load balancing service on the target website, which is useful for information gathering and as a which is also part of reconnaissance. So I hope this was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. Thanks.